Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by opening the Google App settings on your Android device or phone. Tap your profile picture to access settings, then choose Voice. Select Voice Match and turn off Hey Google detection in that menu. This stops Google Assistant from listening for the wake phrase continuously. Your device will no longer respond to Hey Google, but Assistant still works when manually triggered. Turning off Voice Match improves privacy and reduces accidental activations on most devices. Open your phone settings and go to Apps or App Management on Android. Find Google in the app list and tap Permissions to view granted access. Locate Microphone and choose Deny to block audio capture by the Google app. This prevents background listening, but keeps manual typing and non-voice features working. You can restore microphone permission later whenever you want to use voice typing or Assistant. Denying microphone access is a strong step to stop passive listening on that specific app. Open Google Assistant settings from the Google app or by saying Hey Google, then tapping Settings. In Assistant settings, open Devices and review linked phones, speakers, and displays for active voice detection. For each device, choose the option to disable voice match or unlink the device from your account. If you prefer, disable Google Assistant entirely by turning off the Assistant toggle in Settings. Finally, open Activity Controls and delete stored voice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.